Is it permissible to hide the truth from one's parent about ill health? See, ill health of your that can bring more problem to the parents, then you don't have to say that. It's not compulsory. Allah is not forcing you, or not, Allah is not making obligatory upon you to tell your parents, oh, I'm gonna die because I've got heart attack. You're gonna kill your parents before you die because you're giving them, a stress. So it's not compulsory. You don't have to. If you think that if the parents are strong, and parents can help you out. Like I tell my kids, if they are playing sports and if they have got any injuries, they should discuss with me. If they have got physical problems, they should discuss with me. If they have got medical problems, they should discuss with me. Because alhamdulillah, they know me. I can help them sport-wise, health-wise, physical-wise, financial. I can do that. So alhamdulillah, they should. So and they also know that if they come with their problems to me, I must by the grace of Allah, alhamdulillah, thumma alhamdulillah, all praise be to Allah, I'm a strong person. I'll listen to them and I'll try my best to help them. So if that is the case with you, and you can say otherwise. If you think the parents are weak or they can get more into trouble, then don't do that.